teach you that how can you make planner and what is the uses of planner in your life. This planner can change your life. It's something जिसकी हेल्प से आप अपने पूरे दिन को schedule कर सकते हैं. And after some time, you'll feel that this planner is helping you a lot. If you will create this planner, your life will be changed. So if you're interested, then watch the video till the very end.
Now, for making a digital planner, you have to download an app known as Canva. I'll drop the link of this app in the description box. You can download this app from there. Now I'm opening this app. Its interface is something like this. Now on the top search bar, type there planner. Now you can see there are many more ready-made templates and there is a blank option also where you can create your own design. I'm clicking on a ready-made template because I want to make it easily and perfectly. Now let's edit this page. You have to just click on it, then click on the edit button and then write the text what you want to write. On the top last, you can say it's routine, different thing, but I'm writing here review of the day because I always want to review my day. Now, if you want to add a next page, just click on this button, click on the plus button, and you will got a new page. As the same, click on the plus button, click on the template, and select that template which we selected earlier. I'm selecting the same template for better preferences. If you want different template, you can select it. Now I'm going to write here Monday. I'm going to write here a quote which is one of my favorite quote. As you can see, I just written here a quote which is, a goal without plan is just a wish. Now I want to delete these elements and don't want these elements in the second page of my planner. Just select it and click on the delete button. Now I'm placing the Monday in the middle section, so I'm selecting it and I'm moving it. Now you can see in the last section it's written different thing, but I want to write here review of the day. Just select, click the edit button and write what you want to write. As you can see, my planner's theme is matching correctly, and how is it looking? Now let's add a new page to it. Just click on the plus button and you will get your new page. And as the same, just import the same template here. Just click it, click on the edit and write here Tuesday. Here also I'm going to write a quote. Let's write it. Here I just written a thought. If you want to write, you can obviously write it. Now I'm going to delete this option as the same and I'm going to place Tuesday in the middle of my planner page. Now I'll edit the last button and write it the review of the day, because reviewing of the day is a very important step. As you can see, all three pages are ready. What if you want to make your first page your front page? So let's edit this and let's make it our front page. Now I just deleted all the elements by clicking on it and deleting, and I just added here a text which is daily planner for study and daily work. You have to click on font and then select the font which you want to add in your planner. I'm liking this font, so I'm leaving this font like this. Now you can place it, you can change its size, you can change its position, you can do whatever you want to do with your text. I'm placing it in middle so it will look more beautiful. Now you can see my front page of my planner is ready. Now I just created my pages easily. Now let's click on the plus button and let's select a new page, which is be of Wednesday. Now click on the template button and select the same template. And now you can see that I just created all of the pages for my planner in the same way. It's the front page, it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. As the same, you can also create your planner's page as the same I taught you in Monday and Tuesday. It looks very pretty. You can easily do this. Now click on the download button and save it as an image. But before it, let's check that how our planner totally looks like. Click on this button and click on present. And let's present our planner and let's see it has any mistake or not. As you can see, my planner is looking beautiful and I just added the sections which I want in my planner. Now click on this and save it as an image. It's very easy to make. You can make your own digital planner. As you can see, my planner is totally imported and I just created a PDF of it. So you can see my planner looking totally pretty. If you want this planner's PDF or if you want this planner, I'll drop the link of this planner in the description box. You can click on it and download this